Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you today? This time I will discuss about 20 material in the English for Banking course. Okay, let's discuss now. Ya, untuk materi yang pertama itu ordinal and cardinal number. Cardinal number are number of numbering that state how many, stating the number of object, people, animals, or of an object. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and so on. While ordinal number are number that indicate the order, rank, or position or object, or for example, first, second, three, or first round. 3. Book. The use of cardinal number cannot be abbreviated like this. Use of ordinal number, namely 1 for first, 2 for second, 3 for third, 4 for fourth, and so on. Untuk lebih lanjutnya, dapat dilihat contoh berikut ini. Untuk materi kedua itu yaitu currency, foreign exchange, and currency symbol. Every word a currency has an assigned code. Use or currency exchange market and currency code symbol which is typically used when pricing goods in a store or visit in restaurant, for example. Some of them might be familiar, some less so. If you are wondering which currency symbol you need, we have you covered wherever you have to. Here you need to know about some of the different currency symbol of the world. Contohnya itu seperti berikut ini. What mean by singular and price? Singular mean one, while plural and mean more than one. For example, the word table which mean people will change its shape into table. Why does the seemingly simple concept often get used to trouble? It's because in Indonesian we do not find a change in the word form. The word table, for example, does not change its form in the plural context. Untuk penjelasan selanjutnya, a job application is the official form that applies as our application for a position to fill out. You may fill out the application through a third-party job listing site or by visiting the website of the potential employer. Curriculum vitae or CF is a document that provides information about the qualification of a job seeker. The information maintained in a curriculum vitae includes personal data, educational background, achievement skill, professional experience, and other. Selanjutnya itu sinonim dan antonim. Synonym are words with different from but have a same or similar meaning. Synonym is often also referred to as word equation of our education equation. Antonym is a semantic relation between two speech units whose meaning instead of the opposite contradiction or contrast between one another. Example of anonym. Investment in an activity to save or place funds for a consigned rate in the hope that the deposit will generate profit or increase at the value of the investment. A person who invests is called an investor or investor. Investment is closely related to business, but beyond that there are many investments that are not tied to business. There are many non-business investments that have recently been in demand by the public with the aim of increasing the value of their asset. Many negotiation scholars advocate meeting in person rather than communication by phone or email, as convenient as electronic media may be. The lack the visual concept offered by body language in negotiation that help convey valuable information and forge connection in face-to-face talks. Idiom is the use in using language that is peculiar to either in a sense that cannot be derived from the combined meaning of its element of in us for grammatically atypical word, such as giving way, while public speaking is on the technique or art of speaking that must be possessed by a speaker to be able to attract the attention for the audience. In order to attract the attention for the audience, there are several things that the speaker must prepare besides critical material preparation. Good preparation will help the speaker anticipate distraction when some is speaking in public. This disturbance include the audience like the enthusiast to pay attention to the conversation delivered in supporting the atmosphere of the room. The united audience characteristic. In a broad sense, an invoice is an invoice or billing document issued by the seller to the buyer that shows the amount and cost that must be paid after buying something or after an agreement has been made in the purchase or order. In the Big Indonesian Dictionary, the meaning of invoice and list of the shipment of goods that accompanied by a description of the name, amount, the price to be paid by the customer. There are many types and positions of bank employees. The level of the position also depends on the educational background, performance, and years of service of bank employees. Here are some job positions in the banking world. Number one, teller. Teller are most familiar with the community because their work is in direct contact with customer. Number two, customer. They are also called clients, namely individuals or companies that get of product and service from a banking company, including processing, leasing, and service activities. Number three, shareholder. A shareholder is a person or legal entity that legally owns one or more shares in the bank. Number four, customer service. At the front desk, apart from the teller, there are also customer service or CS. Number five, staff back office. In addition to bank employees who work in the front of and face-to-face with customer, there are also bank employees who work behind the scene or the back office. Banking software is enterprise software that is used by the banking industry to provide and manage any financial product that are provided. Within retail banks, banking software typically refers to core banking software and all these interfaces that allow them to connect to other modular software and to the interbank network. Within investment banking, banking software typically relates to the trading software used to access capital market. Banking software in bank many software are used to various purposes. The software we use for opening bank account by deposit and loan customer and recording their transaction in called core banking software. For managing ATM and POS network, a switching software is needed. Handling complaint is the technique for handling or managing customer complaint quickly, accurately, and satisfactorily. In order for customer to feel satisfied or attitude in serving customer must be regulated in such a way when we do something we act like faking on, irritate or something or investment attitude and impact to representing annoyance or emotion will cause the service provided to be imperfect and ultimately the customer will be disappointed. This translation technique are used when the concept and structure of the short language can be used in the target language. Number one, borrowing example, cafe, French, hamburger, German, kimono, Japan, and kimchi, Korean. Number two, calculate, long translation. Example, the English term skyscraper in translate and creative skill in the French. Number three, literal translation. Literal translation. Example, the English "I want a glass of water" would be translated literally as "Je veux un verre d'eau" in French. Okay, maybe that's all I can explain. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.